Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your English literature class and our today's topic is buzzword Unit 1 make sentence and question answer. So let's start our class. Please everybody look at the board. The chapter's name is Unit 1 the monkey band. So at first make sentence. The first one is howling. The monkeys were howling in the trees. I am repeating howling. The monkeys were howling in the trees. Number two is music. The monkey band played wonderful music. The monkey band played wonderful music. Chattered. The monkeys chattered loudly. The monkeys chattered loudly. Number 4 is hollow. The monkeys jumped over the hollow trunk. Hollow means here the monkeys jumped over the hollow trunk. Students, just look here. There are 4 words here. Okay, 4 words here. And just one thing I want to tell you that I have written these sentences, but if you want to write another one, okay, you can do this. You can do this, but it should be correct. Okay, no need to follow these sentences. Okay, but you can follow these sentences, but if you want to change, then you can do that. Now this is question answer. What was Mowgli doing when Baloo met him? This is the first question. I am repeating. What was Mowgli doing when Baloo met him? Answer is Mowgli was walking and singing a merry song when Baloo met him. I am repeating. Mowgli was walking and singing a merry song when Baloo met him. Now number 2 question is what did Baloo say about the song? What did Baloo say about the song? The answer is Baloo said that the song was beautiful and he wished there was some music for it. I am repeating. Baloo said that the song was beautiful and he wished there was some music for it. And now number 3 question is who played music for Mowgli and Baloo? Answer is the monkeys played music for Mowgli and Baloo. I am repeating. The monkeys played music for Mowgli and Baloo. Number 4 question is why did the monkeys tie some vines to a few branches? Why did the monkeys tie some vines to a few branches? Answer. The monkeys tied some vines to a few branches to play them like guitars. The monkeys tied some vines to a few branches to play them like guitars. Okay, in your book there are 5 questions, but we will learn only the first 4 questions. Okay, and your homework will be students buzzword Unit 1 question answer. That means question answer 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 question answers is your homework. Okay. Okay, so students, stay safe, stay well, take care. Allah Hafiz.